My name is Steve Schwartzapfel. I represent people that have been injured when somebody else broke the rules. I seek to go ahead and hold that person accountable.
We recently represented a gentleman that was hit by a vehicle. If you looked at the points of impact, you would think that it was the motorcyclist's fault. This gentleman was laying in bed in a coma, so they weren't able to get his version, but we were retained early. And despite the fact that the property damage to the car was to the left rear of the car, we were able to secure video surveillance that showed this elderly woman coming from the far right lane and just cutting all 3 lanes of traffic off. There was no way that this man could have avoided the accident. But if we didn't get in early, this evidence would have been lost forever. Thank goodness we were retained. He was in a coma for 3 months. The better earning is this was a miracle. Of course, the man was in my office the other day, and he's up and he's talking. However, his medical bills exceeded $750,000. It's important they have an attorney who can act quickly, who can get their investigators in or go to the scenes themselves so they're familiar and can secure the appropriate evidence. One of the other reasons it's very important to retain a lawyer early is that there is no medical insurance. Like a car accident, there's insurance to cover medical expenses and lost earnings. Not in the case of a motorcycle accident. We are able to go ahead and move faster than any lawyer. And I can say that. We represented a 46-year-old iron worker who was seriously injured in an intersectional accident. We opened the case and closed it, gave the client check in hand in 6 weeks. Why? Because we know if that case was delayed or prolonged, there was no insurance, and any money would have gone to the medical providers. Yes, the lawyer would have gotten paid, but the client would have gotten the money. And it's all about the clients. You serve the client, you put their interests first. And the most important thing to me was getting that gentleman the money as soon as I could, because I knew that he would never see a penny. So if you or your family member was injured in a motorcycle accident, it's important to call an experienced motorcycle accident lawyer. Better yet, call me. I'm there to help you and your family.